the wife and husband were trying, well, I'll put it this way, the wife was having a discussion. And the wife goes, "Could you please stop yawning when I'm talking to you?" He goes, "I'm not yawning. I'm trying to say something." Okay, the husband comes in to the kitchen, and his wife is just rubbing away up the counter. And he goes, "What's wrong?" And she goes, "My hands are raw from scrubbing the stain on our countertop. It just won't come off." And he looks at it and he goes, "That's probably because it's a ray of light coming through the window."